If you want to know the health of the tensioner or decoupler pulley on a vehicle, you might want to start looking at the depths of the groove on the belt. We're going to find out why next.
This video is sponsored by ENA. Visit scheffler.us for more information.
Back in the day when you're inspecting a serpentine drive belt, you could get away with just a visual inspection. You'd look for cracks and other signs of damage. But with today's modern belts made of modern materials, a visual inspection won't cut it anymore. These belts won't crack and they're very resilient to damage. But what you do have to check is the depth of the belt itself, because this is an indicator to the health of the decoupler pulley and also the health of the tensioner itself. Because if these are failing, worn out, or broken, it's going to cause more slippage in the drive belt system. The more slippage, the more wear to the grooves. So this is an indicator to the health of the system. And it's also a reason why you should be measuring the grooves every time you inspect a drive belt. It's a great canary in the coal mine to see the health of the drive belt system. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.